Yo boys, what's up? So I'm playing a remake or a port that this guy made. I'm Loming. He made a port for the Gorilla Tag horror game or the fan game. It was originally made by Trout, so I'll send a link to the Discord in the description, and I will see you guys play it. Let's do this. This is scary. Oh shit. No. Bozos. Oh shit. There's another one. Oh, monkey. Give me it. No. Please. I'm just collecting little brothers. I'm just collecting my brothers. Please. I'm just trying to collect my brothers. Collect you. Stupid. Oh, I completed so fast. Oh my god. Let's do it again. Let's see if he added jump scare sound, because in the earlier version there wasn't a jump scare sound. Scare me. Oh my god, it's so loud. Jesus. Alright, see if I can complete it one more time. It's a monkey. Oh shit. Kicked by the ocean. Get the monkey. Oh balls. Well, the spawns don't really change for monkeys. And I think in later crap. Maybe it did change, because get your ankles broken. Oh god, they're scary. They're scary monkeys. Oh, the last brother. Yay. Alright, that's actually pretty good. This port is made by I'm Loming. I will send a link to the Discord down in the description. Check it out. This was actually pretty fun. I was a tester with 3 others. I'm the OG tester though. I was the first one to test it. But yeah. It's pretty good. Good job, Loming.